Hi everyone, I'm Hyrule, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you my complete DIY glass skin facial, using simple natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. This routine helps deeply cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, and brighten your skin, leaving it healthy, smooth, and naturally radiant. So let's get started. The ingredients we'll need are fresh milk, honey, coffee powder, yogurt, rose water, Besan, Multani, Mitti, turmeric, Manjistha powder, Mulethi powder, and fresh aloe vera gel. Let's begin with cleansing. I'm mixing fresh milk with 1 teaspoon of honey. Milk gently removes dirt and impurities, while honey nourishes and deeply hydrates the skin. Apply the mixture all over your face and gently massage using upward circular motions for about 2 minutes. Once you're done, rinse your face thoroughly with clean water. Now it's time to exfoliate. I'm preparing a gentle scrub using coffee powder, yogurt, and a little rose water. This natural scrub removes dead skin cells, improves skin texture, and leaves your face feeling fresh and smooth. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes without applying too much pressure, then wash it off with water. The next step is facial steaming. Steam helps open your pores and allows your skin to absorb the next treatments more effectively. Steam your face for 3 to 5 minutes, but remember to keep a safe distance from the hot water to avoid irritation. Now let's prepare our brightening face pack. Mix Besan, Multani, Mitti, turmeric, Manjistha powder, Mulethi powder, and enough rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply it evenly across your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes, allowing it to dry naturally before rinsing it off. Once the face pack is removed, it's time for a relaxing facial massage. I'm mixing fresh aloe vera gel with a little honey. Massage your face, using gentle upward strokes for around 5 minutes. This helps improve blood circulation, relax facial muscles, and gives your skin a beautiful natural glow. Now let's tone the skin. I'm using pure rose water as a natural toner. It refreshes the skin, helps maintain its natural pH balance, and provides an instant cooling and soothing effect. The final skincare step is moisturizing. Fresh aloe vera gel locks in moisture, keeps the skin hydrated throughout the day, and leaves your face feeling soft, healthy, and naturally glowing. And that's my complete DIY glass skin facial at home. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next beauty routine.